Hello, everybody. Welcome to EduCare. Let me help you land a teaching job in the UAE with LinkedIn. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to create a LinkedIn profile step by step, especially tailored for those of you looking for teaching jobs in the UAE. Let's get started. Open Google and type "Sign up LinkedIn" in search bar. Then click on the first link that takes you to LinkedIn's official website. We'll now begin creating your LinkedIn account step by step. Enter your name and email. You also have to verify your email to activate LinkedIn account. Then click Agree and Join. Now LinkedIn will ask for a few details. Your location. Here you can put your current country, or later you can update it to the UAE. And your job title. Type something like math teacher or primary school educator. Your most recent company, you can also skip this if you don't want to mention. Then provide your answer for few questions. For better convenience, download the LinkedIn app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once logged in, upload a professional profile photo. It doesn't have to be taken by a photographer, just make sure you're smiling, well lit, and clearly visible. Also, don't forget to add a background photo, also known as a cover image. Choose something that reflects your teaching profession, like a classroom setting, books, or a simple, clean design. It makes your profile look more complete and visually appealing. Click this 3 dots and add a headline. Your headline is very important. Write something like Certified Teacher, 5+ years experience, open to work in the UAE. Fill in About section. In the About section, write a short paragraph about your teaching experience, qualifications, your teaching style, and your interest in working in the UAE. Next, add your previous work experience. Be specific with job titles and subjects you taught. Don't forget to add your education and any certifications like TEFL Montessori training or KHDA approval if you have it. Also add volunteer experience related to your profession in case if you have. Add teaching skills like classroom management, lesson planning, ESL, and whatnot. You can also ask your colleagues to endorse your skills. Next, recommendations make your profile stronger. Ask your former school heads or coworkers to write a short recommendation for you. Job search tools. Now click on the Jobs tab and type in Teaching Jobs in UAE. Set job alerts so LinkedIn notifies you when new jobs are posted. Search UAE schools and recruiters. Follow UAE schools, recruiters, and teaching groups. Comment on their posts and engage. It helps visibility. I hope you now have a better idea of how to create a LinkedIn profile and use it to find teaching job updates and connect with educators in the UAE. Remember, once you start using the platform, you'll get the hang of it and you'll discover so much more than what I could cover in one video. So don't wait. Creating your LinkedIn account is a small but powerful first step in your job search journey. That's it. I hope this helped you set up a great LinkedIn profile. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more teacher tips. and share it with anyone looking for a job in the UAE. Good luck!